In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly for Windows on your PC. Grammarly is an incredibly helpful tool for improving your writing, whether you're drafting emails, writing essays, or simply jotting down notes. So, if you're ready to enhance your writing prowess, let's get started on setting it up. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the official download page for Grammarly. This is where you'll find the option specifically for desktop installation. Once you're there, you should see the option to download the Windows installer. The nice thing about this step is that the page is smart enough to detect your operating system automatically, so you won't have to worry about choosing the wrong version. Just click on the download link for Windows, and you're on your way. Once the installer file is downloaded to your system, you'll need to find it and give it a double click. This action will initiate the installation process. You'll want to follow the on-screen prompts carefully. They'll guide you through accepting the necessary permissions and choosing the installation settings. Generally, it's best to stick with the default settings unless you have a specific preference, as these defaults are optimized for the average user. The installation should only take a few moments. Once it's complete, launch Grammarly. At this point, you'll notice that an icon representing Grammarly will appear in your system tray, which is the area at the bottom right corner of your screen. This little widget is your gateway to Grammarly's powerful writing assistance. With Grammarly now running, open any app or website where you usually do your writing. This could be a word processor like Microsoft Word, your favorite web browser for typing on Gmail, or even a note-taking app. As you start writing, you'll see Grammarly's widget come to life, actively checking your text for any errors or areas for improvement. It's a subtle but effective way of getting real-time feedback on your writing. Grammarly works silently but efficiently in the background, and you'll appreciate how seamlessly it integrates with your daily writing activities, offering suggestions and corrections as you type. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Grammarly on your Windows PC. Now, you're all set to enjoy better writing, with less time spent worrying about grammar mishaps. Be sure to explore all the features Grammarly offers, such as style enhancements and vocabulary improvements. Thank you for following along,